Hello everyone, welcome back. Tired of English learning apps that don't actually help you speak better? Let's talk about Fluently AI. Fluently AI is an English tutor app that uses smart technology to help you speak English more naturally. Unlike apps for beginners, this one focuses on real conversations. Think of it like having a personal tutor in your pocket, but way cheaper. Here's what makes it different. You can talk to an AI tutor just like talking to a real person. The app listens to everything you say and gives you instant feedback. It catches your mistakes with grammar, pronunciation, and word choice. The AI remembers your past conversations and builds a custom learning plan just for you. You can practice anytime, day or night, talk about job interviews, business meetings, or everyday topics. The app gives you a quick English level test and tracks how much you improve. Users love that it feels natural and doesn't make you nervous like talking to a real person might. Plus, it costs about 20 times less than hiring a human tutor. But it's not perfect. Some users say the app crashes or has login problems. Customer support can be slow to respond. The audio sometimes misunderstands also what you're saying. And you can't try it for free, which is frustrating. And if you want a British accent for your tutor, you're so out of luck right now. So, is Fluently AI worth it? If you already know basic English and want to sound more confident and natural, this app can really help. Just know that you might run into some technical issues. And for the price, it's a solid choice for daily speaking practice. Check the link to try Fluently AI yourself, and thanks for watching.